Welcome back to RuralVacantLand.com. This is Luke Smith. I've got another property for you. This one is in Cochise County, Arizona. Got a bunch of these Cochise County, Arizona ones because they're easy to use. You can drive right up and start using these properties. You can fill out a little regulatory stuff on their website, like a $30 permit to put your RV on the property, or a I think it's $157 permit to build your own house with no inspections. No inspections. You can use whatever materials you want. You can put the plugs wherever you want. You can put the windows and doors. You can put them upside down. Nobody's going to say anything. Your wife or your spouse might call you nuts, but you can build what you want in Cochise County. Not that that's the idea, but you can. So let's take a look at this one. This one's 4 acres. Here we go. 4 acres, Cochise County, $1,499. And this is parcel J. There's a couple of them next to it too. If you want to merge a couple 4 acres together, that'd be great. That'd be cool. Probably give you a deal if you want to buy a couple of them. There's a street over here, and there's easements going into these ones that are behind the street. Some of them are on the street. Some of them are one back from the street. And let's take a look at this thing. No fees. It's like $40-ish a year in taxes for one of these things. And RU4 zoning, people are asking about the zoning. It's owner builder codes you can do under RU4. Build your own place. You don't have to have contractors and inspections and everything. So I'm hitting the GPS coordinates to give me a shot of where this thing is in the world. And it pulls up a gray map. We'll turn it to the satellite. So here's the road over here. So there's lots, and then there's lots. There's lots in the front, lots in the back, 4 acre lots. So it'll be 660 foot off this road to the boundary of the first lot, and then another 660 foot to the boundary of the back lot. And then it's all state land on either side, you know, to the east and to the south. And I think it's private land to the north and somebody on the other side of the street. So little roads come in here from a couple different directions. You can come around different routes to get back there. And here's the main road over here. So we zoom out a little bit more. I think Douglas is down to the south. Yeah, Douglas is down here to the south. So you're up past the airport, past Double Adobe, and off to the east. Leslie Canyon National Wildlife Refuge is up here. So you're pretty much in the valley. Pulled up some. Well, let's see if we can get 3D on this thing. I bet you it's going to be flat, but there's not really good data here. It's flat, so you can't really tell 3D from 2D. But you're going to get some mountains off to the northeast. You're going to be looking at the mountains. To the south end of the valley, other side of this is, well, here's a border here, right? So there's the American side, the Mexican side, Agua Prieta. You can go there to get stuff fixed, get some good food. And the American side, you can get like a Walmart, that kind of supplies. To the west is some more mountains. So you're in the valley. North of there, there's some crop circles, irrigation circles. There's another map. So this is the original property. Originally it was like 40 acres. So I broke off a piece of 4 acres over here. Yeah, so here's the original 40 acres. So neighbors to the south is state land, and to the east is all state land. Yeah, it's not in the county data, but that's all the state land. And there's private to the west, and to the north is private properties. And that's the property. So I'm gonna put a link down below. So the description to this video, there's a link. So if you click on that link, it'll take you back to my website. And on the website, there's the GPS coordinates. You can click on that for driving directions to the property. There's a buy it now button. If you want to go for it and buy the thing, click the buy it now button. Fill out your title information. You know, you and your spouse or your kids or your trust or your company or whatever it is you want to own the property in. The name you want to own the property as. Hopefully you come up with some name that's going to outlive you. So the property passes on to your heirs. And then you put your mailing address, your address in there, so the county knows where to send future tax bills to. This is a split, so the assessor will send you a little postcard thing that'll say what your new APN number is after they draw up the new maps, and eventually you get a tax bill on the property. And I have electronic recording, so I'll get it recorded and we'll email you the deed in short order, all the stamps, numbers, and everything on it. So it doesn't take that long to get those deeds put through there and sent to you. And that's the property. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Luke Smith, ruralvacantland.com.